Welcome back to Bill's Pre-K Tai Chi. This is the fourth of 4 movements that I'm going to do for you. We ended up on the last movement with right heel kick. So one thing about that is there are 2 kinds of kicks in Tai Chi. One is a toe kick where your toe is down. The other is with your toe is up. Yang 24 only does heel kicks, so your toe is up. So I left off here. My right arm is extended over my right leg. Now I bring that toe in and I circle my arms across my belly. My weight is still on my left leg. And now I step out and I shift all my weight to my left leg and I strike the tiger's ears with both hands, with intention. At this point, I shift my weight back. So all my weight's on my left leg. I can pivot on my right heel. I'm now facing the opposite wall. I do exactly the same thing with the left leg. I circle my arms, my left leg up, open up, and left heel kick. Now I bring that foot down. I now extend my right arm directly away from me, and I slide my left leg out and slightly behind. This is called snake creeps down left leg. And my left hand is the snake. It creeps down. As it crosses my pelvis, my whole pelvis opens. My left toe pivots. I shift all my weight onto my left leg. At this point, I rotate my shoulder and my back foot and my back arm. So my weight is all on my left foot. Now I slightly shift the weight back and pivot that left toe out. Now my secret is I call my pet rock on my left side. I push down on this imaginary rock as I bring all my back foot up, all my weight's on my left, and now I stand on one leg, cock stands on left leg. So that is quite an achievement. We'll do it one more time. I'll do it a little bit over here. So we started out with the right heel kick. As that comes down, I circle my arms and I strike the tiger's ears forcefully. Now I shift my weight back, lift my right toe, pivot, circle my arms again. As they come together, I raise my left leg and left heel kick. I bring that down, I extend my right arm straight out, dip, slide my left leg out and slightly behind, and the snake creeps down. I open up my pelvis and pivot that toe and end up with most of the weight on my left leg. I pivot my left toe out, I push down on my imaginary rock, slide that back foot up, and cock stands on left leg. Please join me for the next episode. Thank you.